Hello guys, I'm your host or trainer. My name is Vargang Panchal and you are watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. Today in this CBT I am going to demonstrate you how to verify domain controller FSMO roles or FSMO roles inside Microsoft Windows Server 2019. Before moving for hands-on lab, let me tell you that FSMO roles are having two categories, forest wide role, and this category is having two role inside this. First role is schema master role and second role is domain naming master role. Basically both roles are working for forest wide roles. Second category is domain wide role and inside this category you have three roles are there. RID master role, PDC emulator, infrastructure master role. If you want that I should describe these roles more, then please comment us in our comment section. So now these 5 roles I am going to demonstrate you how can you verify via command line as well as graphically. Let's move for hands-on lab. So this is my hands-on lab domain controller where last time we have deployed Microsoft Active Directory domain services, and on this server via command line I am going to show you how can you verify your FSMO roles owner. For that you can press Windows X and also you can right click on your start menu. Here you need to click on command prompt with admin rights and here you need to hit and command netdom space query space FSMO. Let me type that. Press enter. In a background there LDAP query will execute. It will trace out who's the owner of FSMO role inside our forest. And here you can see srvdc.asnetworkzone.com is an owner of 5 roles inside our forest. And this srvdc is our same computer where we are working right now. Let me show you this computer name also. Just right click on your this PC. Click on properties. And here also you can re-verify your computer name is srvdc.asnetworkzone.com. So it means this computer is also known as domain controller which is having FSMO roles. Let me close this console and also close your command prompt. And now via graphically I am going to demonstrate you how can you verify your FSMO roles owner. For that you need to open firstly Active Directory user and computers console. Click on start button and here you need to click on Windows administrative tools. Expand this and there you will get an console Active Directory user and computer. You can also open this console directly via shortcut key and the shortcut key is dsa.msc. Let me open this console via shortcut key. Press Windows R and here you need to type dsa.msc. Press enter. And now Active Directory user and computers console is opened now. Here you need to click on your domain name which is asnetworkzone.com. Right click over here and here you need to click on operation master and now this dialog box will execute and here you can see 3 FSMO roles are available over here such as RID master, PDC emulator, infrastructure master role. Rest for 2 roles you will have to open another console. First of all let me close this console. Now I am going to show you rest 2 FSMO roles and for that you need to open console for Active Directory domain and trust. Again you need to click on start button and here click on Windows administrative tool and here you need to click on Active Directory domain and trust and for Active Directory domain and trust shortcut key is domain.msc. You can use via that but here I am not using shortcut. And now you will get your Active Directory domain and trust console. Here on your Active Directory domain and trust you need to right click and there you need to click on operation master and here you will get a dialog box where you can check your domain naming operation master role owner is srvdc. It means same server where we are working right now. Now our one FSMO role is remaining, that one is schema master. By default you can't search or find out inside your domain controller because that role is hidden. For unhide your role you will have to execute an command, but firstly let me close this console. open your run, and here you need to hit an command regsvr32 space schmmgmt.dll. Let me type that. Press enter, and now here you will get this pop-up message which is indicating that we have successfully unhide our schema master role. Click on OK. And now again you need to open run command, and here you need to type mmc. Press enter, and here you will get a console of mmc. There you need to click on file menu, click on add remove snap in, or you can also use a shortcut key Control M. And now here you will get this dialog box. Here you need to click on Active Directory schema, click on add button, and now click on OK. And there you can see your Active Directory schema role. Basically, Active Directory schema is divided into class and attributes. If your background is related from programming language and you know about the OOPS concept, then definitely you will know that what is class and attributes. If you are not related from programming languages, then not an issue. Expand this, and there you can see we have a class and attributes are there. And here on Active Directory schema, just you need to right click, click on Operation Master, and again you will get this dialog box, and there also you can see your current schema master role is online and this server is owner for your this FSMO role. Thank you for watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. If you really like this CBT, click on like button and also comment us which section you like most, or if you have any query, you can also comment us.